Good day to you. We're looking at equity markets at the end of the week, and they look a little soft, and that's on account of the weak global cues that have come in. US markets ended on a low note, and the Asia Pacific region as well. There is a bit of a risk off sentiment that is pervading currently. Of course, bond yields have come off, and that is being seen as a positive for the equity markets, but that is not playing out as of now. You could possibly be seeing signs of consolidation in several markets, including our own market. You have the Nifty 50 at this juncture about an hour and a half in to trade, trading with cuts of about 0.1%. Not much of a cut, but still it's there. You have the broader markets at this juncture that continue to outperform, both the small cap and the mid cap index gaining by about 0.33% each. But let's take a closer look at what is happening on the Nifty 50. Among the top gainers, you have the likes of Tata Steel, Bajaj Finserv, JSW Steel, Adani Ports, ONGC, all gaining up above 1% or so, and so is Divi's Lab. Divi's Lab is also gaining about 1% as of now. You have 29 gainers, so more gainers than losers currently. TCS, after starting off a little bit weak, is now recovered ground. It is now trading with gains of about 0.5%. Remember, it had a bit of a miss on the revenue front. It attributed that to the COVID-19 second wave, and it's quantified how that miss happened. A lot of brokerages are coming and saying that the scenario looks quite good despite that miss on the revenue front. So perhaps the street is taking a better view of the earnings that were reported last evening. Apart from that, you have among the losers the likes of Eicher Motors losing about 1% odd, Indices Bank, BPCL, Axis Bank, and Reliance Industries. That's the big one. Reliance Industries losing about 0.8% at this juncture, proving to be a drag on the Nifty 50. Let's look at the sectoral indices then, and you probably already have a sense as to what is happening. You have the Nifty Bank that's down about 0.4%. And metals are outperforming, gaining about 1% or so. You have auto that's underperforming just a little bit, down about 0.2%. The rest are so-so. You have FMCG that's gaining about 0.3%. You have IT that's up about 0.3% as well. Media is flat, and realty is up about 0.7%. You've actually seen quite a bit of resilience from the realty pack in the recent past, perhaps on account of expectations that sales will pick up once again now that COVID-19 cases are on the wane. As of now, it seems like it's still going to be a wait and watch mode. You have more advances than declines, but well, it's not going to be big moves till you have a sort of a consistent performance that is displayed by some of these companies. Earnings, of course, is going to be front and center. And unless you see some of those big names start moving again, you may not see big moves on the benchmark. Broadly though, it's a wait and watch as of now, heading into the end of the week.